Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, let me start by congratulating you for being elected as Deputy Speaker of this House. Last time I made my contribution, I congratulated the Speaker, but I had not congratulated you. I have no doubt in my mind that you lead this House and conduct the affairs of this House diligently and objectively. And I hope that the 4 members who are also going to constitute the Chairman's panel will get members with experience and ability to help you run the House. Having said that, Madam Speaker, allow me to make my contributions to the speech of the President. First, I want to state that this House has a collective responsibility to oversight and hold the executive to account as a unit. But I'm also alive to the fact that this side of the House, the minority side, or the opposition that it used to be called, has an extra responsibility to even hold the executive to account much more. I am sure that we are not going to provide parochial opposition. We are going to provide an objective opposition. We will support government policies that are geared towards helping better the lives of Kenyans, and only oppose those policies which would make us roll back on the gains that this country has made so far. So you expect a robust opposition from us, an opposition that is informed with objectivity and helping the country to move forward. Madam Speaker, President Ruto is taking over a country that is so divided, a country that is divided right down in the middle, a country where 50% or near 50% voted for him, and another 50% or near 50% did not vote for him. This is a country that requires real symbol of national unity. I am happy that the President did indicate in his speech that he is going to run a united country, that service delivery is going to be given to all Kenyans in equal measure, regardless of where you voted, because we are all taxpayers. And that is something that needs to be lauded. And so now what we are waiting for is action. Madam Speaker, the only thing that I would have requested or asked is of the Deputy President to also follow what the President has said. I was a bit disturbed when the news came out that the Deputy President said something to the effect that it is their turn to eat. I hope he was misquoted. Madam Speaker, public appointments belong to Kenyans. Public appointments, whether position of permanent or principal secretaries, those positions are positions in the public and civil service and are not supposed to be used as a reward for political support. Those positions belong to all of us, whether you voted Azimio or you voted Kenya Kwanza. And how I wish that the Deputy President understood that. So, Madam Speaker, we expect the Public Service Commission to be impartial and not to be a subject or a victim of state capture. Having said that, Madam Speaker, something that worries me a lot is that however short or brief the speech of the President was, but I expected at least a line on devolution. If the President could remember National Government Constituency Development Fund, which I support as a very progressive fund, then I wonder how he could forget to mention something on devolution. He even spoke about the Senate Oversight Fund, but did not say a thing on devolution. If there is one thing that has changed the architecture of governance in this country, it is devolution from 2013. And this is something that should always find a space in the speech of a President of the Republic of Kenya. So I hope Because he was summarizing his speech, probably it was left among the very many volumes that I saw he did not read. I could see that the president read a portion of his speech and decided to leave others. And being an intelligent man, he must have summarized it in a way that we couldn't even notice that he left out some.